Hello everyone, good day. This video is all about the timeline of mathematicians and their contributions in the field of mathematics in ancient civilization. The ancient Egyptian civilization, one of the world's earliest, made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. Their mathematical knowledge was practical, primarily used for administrative and architectural purposes. They developed a decimal system and used hieroglyphics for numbers, with different symbols representing units, tens, hundreds, and so on. Egyptian mathematicians also understood the concept of fractions, although they only used unit fractions where the numerator is 1. They had methods for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. The Rhind Mathematical Papyrus, a famous ancient Egyptian mathematical text, provides evidence of their mathematical knowledge, including solutions to linear equations and methods for calculating areas and volumes. In ancient Babylonian, the ancient Babylonian civilization, dating back to 1800s BC, made significant strides in the field of mathematics, laying the groundwork for many concepts we use today. One of their most notable contributions is the Plimpton 322, a clay tablet believed to contain a list of Pythagorean triples, indicating their deep understanding of numerical relationships. This suggests that they may have been aware of the Pythagorean theorem long before Pythagoras himself. The Babylonians also developed sexagesimal or the base 60 numeral system, which is still used today for measuring time, angles, and geographic coordinates. This system greatly simplified calculations and increased accuracy. In addition to this, Babylonian mathematicians demonstrated proficiency in algebra and geometry, capable of solving quadratic and some cubic equations. These contributions of the Babylonians to mathematics are a testament to their advanced understanding and innovative thinking. The ancient Greek civilization, renowned for its intellectual prowess, made remarkable contributions to the field of mathematics. Pioneering mathematicians like Pythagoras, Euclid, and Archimedes laid the foundations for many mathematical principles we use today. Pythagoras, for instance, is credited with the Pythagorean theorem, a fundamental principle in geometry that establishes a relationship between the sides of a right-angled triangle. Next is Euclid, often referred to as the father of geometry, wrote The Elements, a 13-volume work that served as the core mathematics curriculum for centuries. His work included the principles of geometry, number theory, and the concept of mathematical proofs. Archimedes, another prominent Greek mathematician, made significant contributions to the understanding of the principles of levers, the approximation of pi, and the calculation of area under a curve. He also developed methods for calculating the volume of solids such as spheres, cones, and cylinders. Ancient Islamic civilization. The ancient Islamic civilization, particularly during the Golden Age of Islam from the 8th to the 14th century, made significant strides in the field of mathematics. Renowned mathematicians like Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Kindi, and Omar Khayyam made groundbreaking contributions. Al-Khwarizmi, often considered as the father of algebra, introduced the fundamental algebraic methods and the concept of solving equations, which are still in use today. His works also included the systematic application of arithmetic to algebra, geometry, and number theory. Al-Kindi, another prominent mathematician, played a crucial role in introducing Indian numerals and the concept of zero to the Islamic world. Omar Khayyam, a Persian mathematician, is known for his work on the classification and solution of cubic equations. He also contributed to the understanding of the parallel action. Furthermore, Islamic mathematicians made significant contributions to spherical geometry used in astronomical studies and developed the decimal point system. Their work in mathematics was not only innovative but also formed the basis for further mathematical explorations and discoveries in the Western world. The contributions of these mathematicians from the ancient Islamic civilization continue to influence modern mathematical thought and practice. The ancient Hindu civilization, particularly during the classical period, made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. Renowned mathematicians like Aryabhata, Brahmagupta, and Bhaskara too made groundbreaking contributions. Aryabhata, one of the earliest Indian mathematicians, introduced the concept of zero and the decimal system. He also made significant strides in algebra and trigonometry, including the approximation of pi. Brahmagupta, another prominent mathematician, is known for his work on the solution of quadratic equations and the rules for dealing with zero and negative numbers. His work Brahmasputasiddhanta is a seminal text in the history of mathematics. Bhaskara too, often considered the greatest mathematician of ancient India, made significant contributions to calculus hundreds of years before Newton and Leibniz. He also solved quadratic, cubic, and quartic equations. Furthermore, Hindu mathematicians developed sophisticated methods for calculating square roots and cube roots, and they made significant strides in geometry, including the concepts of similar triangles and the Pythagorean theorem. The contributions of these mathematicians from the ancient Hindu civilization continue to influence modern mathematical thought and practice. The ancient Chinese civilization made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. Renowned mathematicians like Liu Hui, Zhu Chongzi, and Yang Wei made groundbreaking contributions. Liu Hui, a prominent mathematician during the Three Kingdoms period, made significant strides in geometry, including the precise calculation of pi and the area of a circle. His work, The Ninth Chapter in the Mathematical Art, is a seminal text in the history of mathematics. Zhu Chongzi, another prominent mathematician known for his work in calculating the value of pi to a high degree of accuracy. He also developed the Daming calendar, which was the most accurate calendar available until the 13th century. Yang Hui, a mathematician during the Song dynasty, is known Chinese illustration of Pascal's triangle. Furthermore, Chinese mathematicians developed sophisticated methods for solving linear equations known as the Gaussian elimination, and they made significant strides in algebra and number theory. In Renaissance period. The Renaissance period, a time of renewed interest in science and culture, saw significant advancement in the field of mathematics. Renowned mathematicians like Luca Pacioli, Niccolo Tartaglia, and Girolamo Cardano made groundbreaking contributions. Luca Pacioli, often referred to as the father of accounting, wrote the first comprehensive book in the double system of accounting. He also contributed to the understanding of mathematics by disseminating knowledge about the Arabic numeral system. Niccolo Tartaglia, another prominent mathematician, was known for his work in solving cubic equations. He was the first to apply mathematics to the investigation of the paths of cannonballs known today as ballistics. Girolamo Cardano, a contemporary of Tartaglia, made significant contributions to the probability theory. and introduced the binomial coefficients and binomial theorem to the Western world. He also published Tartaglia's solution to the cubic equation and provided his own solution to the quartic equation in his book Ars Magna. Furthermore, the Renaissance period saw the development of perspective in geometry, which revolutionized the field of art and design. The contributions of these mathematicians during Renaissance period laid the groundwork for the development of modern mathematics.